Face diet V-line reduce face swollen. Swelling of the face caused by poor lymphatic circulation, resulting in dirt and various fluids not to drain to the veins. Solved by massage around the neck, which is the area where the lymph of the face circulates. Use your fingertips to gently press down on the scalp to gently sweep over. Place the index finger and middle finger on either side of the ear. Gently push up and down to loosen the muscles around the ear. Repeat 10 times. Grasp the ears on both sides. Move as if you were drawing in a circle. Pull to the top, side, and bottom. Repeat 3 times. With both hands placed on the center of the forehead, drag your fingers gently outside. Do the same for the eyes, ridges, nose, lips, and chin. Repeat 5 times each area. Use both hands to hold directly near the chin. Dragged up to the earlobe area. Repeat 5 times. Graft both hands at the ear. With the ears between the thumb and index finger, gently drag down to the collarbone, which is the direction of lymphatic circulation. Put the weight of your hand hard enough to feel that the skin is being pulled. Repeat 5 times.